Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking down the essentials: audience, core message, and how many slides you need. Once done, collect 2-3 data points, a logo, and any color hex code so output matches branding. Now tell Chatgpt the slide count, desired tone, and a target duration per slide. Ask for a concise outline and a template suggestion so you can move fast. This first step speeds creation, because Chatgpt can structure content immediately when given clear constraints and assets. Once you have an outline, prompt Chatgpt to draft each slide with a title, 3 visual-ready bullets, and concise speaker notes. Make sure to request specific visuals, bar chart data, image prompts or icons, and specify aspect ratio and theme. Then iterate. Ask Chatgpt to simplify language for clarity, replace jargon with concrete examples, and trim text to fit a 16:9 layout. By refining in short cycles, you convert a rough draft into presentation-ready slides quickly and with consistent voice. You finish by exporting slide content into PowerPoint or using an automation plugin. Paste titles, bullets, and speaker notes into your template. Then apply brand colors, replace image prompts with chosen visuals, and preview transitions to confirm pacing. Rehearse out loud and edit any timing issues. If a slide looks crowded or tone is off, ask Chatgpt for alternate phrasings or a condensed reflow. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most layout or clarity problems without starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.